Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Edge. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, a rear backup camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Edge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.